What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to today's video. Today's video is a bit of an experimental vlog. What we got here is we're rocking the new GoPro Hero 9. I'm trying to get some test footage done. And I figured, you know what? I got a busy Sunday. We'll vlog it. Just a nice little casual Sunday vlog. So the first thing we got to do is drive all the way to Tampa to go back to the airport because I have to return the keys for the stolen car. If you guys watched Back on Track episode 5, you know that my rental car got stolen. So we are going to return the keys for that stolen car. And by the way, I still have 0 updates on it. Still waiting, still have that rental on my account. Feels great. Also, if the audio sucks in this, my bad. Cheyenne, if you can help fix it, I'd appreciate that. Cheyenne's the editor, by the way. He's the one that makes these videos so fire. All right, we have successfully parked. I don't know if I'm allowed to leave my car where I parked, but I have no idea where else to go. So we're in a bit of a conundrum. I look like an idiot. I'm wearing my bathing suit like this. Also, pro tip, if you ever walk around with your shirt unbuttoned, like I do when I live in Florida, the key to being more formal, you just gotta button 2 buttons. Then you're very formal. But now I'm walking all the way to the rental place. Gonna drop off my key. Also, I'm pretty sure I saw my rental car that got stolen behind me as I was getting here. I think. So I don't know, we'll see. A lot's going on right now. All right, I have to cross the street and I'm gonna go here. Here. Let me go, take you. Oh God. Run. Thank you. I am a detriment. My bad. That person was nice though, so shout out to them. We're almost there. Yo, they severely closed me. Like, what's the difference between these open and close buttons and those open and close buttons? I just noticed this. What the heck? All right. Oh, here we go. Let's go. We're getting closer to being done with this. I went to the front desk and they told me I have to go downstairs, like as if I were getting a brand new rental car. Like, you would think that the main desk is where you go, but guess not. Almost there. Good positive attitude. Yo, we love a good Christmas tree. Shout out. What are you guys doing? Come on, let's go. We're at the beach now. All right, we are posted up. We made it out. We're gonna go find a little one of these things. Actually, I'm gonna take one of these, find a spot, get posted up. Just straight chill. Good vibes. There's not a whole lot of people out here, thankfully. So we won't have to worry about being in people's way, being bothered. Good things all around. What's cool here is you just grab one of these, and then after you grab one, some guy's gonna come up, ask for your card payment, get you charged, and then you're good to go. So let's do that.
Oh, this is crazy, bro. And very salty.
We're off on a super long journey to go get food. It's gonna be a minute. Just want to give some live commentary, obviously, because, you know, it is gonna be such a far drive. So just, you know, sit back, relax, enjoy the views that we're gonna capture again on this super long drive to get some food because I am absolutely starving. I haven't eaten since breakfast, which was like 10:30, 11 o'clock-ish, and now it's, you know, 4:30, so it's definitely been a few minutes. Way too many minutes, honestly. So here we go. Long drive commences in 3, 2, 1, and it's over. Thank you so much for joining me on this super long drive to Coastal Tacos. If you watched the Boys Weekend vlog, oh gosh, you know that this is where we went and it was very delicious and I'm very excited. Let's go eat some tacos. I love my balcony. It creates the best vibes, but we are obviously back in the apartment. We are gonna eat another meal. I know I like ate those tacos like less than an hour ago, but I'm still starving. It's a refeed day. We finished up by getting some restocks of our cigars, and we're just gonna eat and we're gonna hit arms, maybe a little bit of shoulders. I'm not bringing you guys with me because I'm going to be going to Amp Fitness. They have a weird no tripod policy, so I just don't feel like getting kicked out. Yo, we got that Christmas vibe going on right now. the green with the red hat. But this is the gym fit. This is the before. Let's go get a pump and see what we look like after, if we're even remotely impressive. And just like that, we are back from the gym. Had a really good shoulder and bicep workout, did some cardio too. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. I think it's even under the pits. Tasty. But now it's gonna be time to eat. And we are showered up outside, about to enjoy our last meal. And I just wanted to take the time, I was thinking today at the beach, sometimes I think we get so caught up basically because of influencers and just what we see on social media in general, that when you take time for yourself, it's gotta be this big elaborate thing. Like you have to go somewhere tropical, you have to be there for days at a time, you have to make these plans, you have to be there a whole day. But like I went to the beach, I was there for like an hour, hour and a half, nothing crazy, but it was just really good to get away and unplug. And I think that's super important, something that always gets lost because it always has to be, we just think it always has to be something amazing and just, you know, movie worthy, but it doesn't. You know, just take time for yourself, even if it's for an hour. Just unplug, get away from things, relax. Like that was the first time I did that in a long time, and it was like super impactful. Like I was like, man, I need to do this more. I didn't realize how much I was kind of like doing a disservice to myself essentially by not doing that. But that's just my little insight. You know, make sure you take the time to do something, even if it's for an hour, that's for yourself, that makes you relax, that helps you get re-energized, and then you can go about your day. Like even in all the craziness I wanted to do today, you know, I still took that time and I was able to make it all happen and get it all done, and it was just great. That's my life lesson for the day. But I'm gonna eat this last meal here. Got my Sprite Zero on deck in my coffee cup. But I hope you guys enjoyed the GoPro. Like that was the whole point of this video, just kind of testing out the GoPro, different things. Hopefully I got some sick angles and you know, you just enjoyed it. Different content, different way to shoot things. I'm excited. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, turn on the post notifications, send the video to a friend. You know the drill. But most importantly, don't forget to have a great day or night. Don't forget to keep God number one. God bless.